almost 20-year career, Bounty Killer has experienced and survived more turmoil than most of his compatriots in dancehall. 2010 being his most testing. Killer was arrested and charged twice for assault, spent over 2 weeks behind bars. But as it turned out, 2010 was also one of the best years of Bounty Killer's career. Special honors at Sunset. Peace, truce with several fools, including arch rival Beenie Man. And perhaps most importantly, chance success after a protracted drought. Just when many began to hope because troubles were over, came this ugly incident at Savoyaro. What went through your mind when you saw these bottles came flying? The shock. The shock. For the first millisecond shock. What is this? Yes, because I never did anything wrong in my mind, and I never said anything wrong. And I was trying to diffuse the whole notion of there's going to be a showdown, because there was an article come out a few days before the show and everybody saw it. And people building up their emotion going down there that it might be a showdown. So I was saying, listen, don't put me in any showdown because I'm a giant and this artist is a baby to me. And I just started. Yeah. So I was shocked for a second. So I never exit so quick, you know. Yeah. You know, just after I realized I'm not going to flee. So you didn't say anything that was, but in my mind, I said, don't put me in any showdown because I'm a giant and this artist is a baby to me. Yes. Okay, so where will you go with the argument though? That's where I'm going. There's not going to be a clash or a showdown because I am a giant. And I'm going to go into the show. So you had no intentions of calling up Carter's name or in an insulting way? That was not your intent. My intent is to let them know that we are in two separate class and league. Yes, so that was a misconception in the paper. So what is your reading of why bottles were thrown? Well, first, when I left the stage, I thought that someone look at it like a disrespect. Like here's a cartel of baby, him a giant, and that's a disrespect. But I'm saying, I'm here from 1993, and I brought out Cartel 2003, that's 10 years different. So I'm the first generation, and you're the next generation, so we can't be the same size in music or in personal life. I'm 39 and Cartel is 32. So, in music we are not size, and in real life we are not size. So, in my mind, I don't see public disrespect. I think it was a factual speech. Yeah. So I think it was a overzealous fans or someone that took it personal or planned or orchestrated something to do that. But there were many bottles flying, Killer. Even after I exited the stage, so it looked like that person was planning to mash up the show. It wasn't just like Killer said something and I don't like it and I took it personal. But what could Killer say for you to do that? Look at the name and chaotic cause and the riot and the stampede. What dancers fans want to know? I have to say something I don't like and I'm going to endanger thousands of lives and millions of dollars and mar the image of dancers and endanger yourself too. Because when 15 or 10,000 people get sorry, you can't tell them which direction not to come. And when you fling a bottle of bounty, you can't tell it if it won't go the cartel. But this deal, killer, have been in dancehall from inception. Yeah. So when dancehall has been around, people have been playing, you know, when they don't like something, we run a research now and look back at all the events that battle through and look at moments before the battle through if you can't feel like it was coming. In this case, could you see that coming? You heard I said anything that you would expect anybody to get disgusted about? Not yet, you didn't. I didn't, I told you what you said, yes. And then what you expect anybody to get upset like that. Even if they get upset in that mood, they'll start to swing battle. So, I think it was something that was planned. But I need a concert that Margarita Bill weeks before, on the 12th. And I get very personal with my black history and the people that tend to go bleaching road. And Cartel got it very bad. And there's some kids in Ochi that call themselves Ochi Empire. I heard that they was planning from in the afternoon and drinking and saying what they gonna do if Bounty Killer calls Cartel name. Don't know what show this is. Not accusing anybody, but it's being said. So that's why when I said black history, and then the word cartel, it doesn't matter if it's good or bad you say about him. The plan was, if you go on that route of black history and burn out bleaching, because nobody can retaliate if they speak about black history and the changes of the people. Okay, so, well, I don't know, let's say it's a mystery. You're wondering why they bring them up is because the black history suggestion. Okay, I was going to go the bleaching route. That's why I'm saying a baby. Let's walk through it. So 2 weeks prior at Margaritaville in Ochiwea, you using your words, got personal, and made a thing called Shock and Zulu, call me Shock and Zulu. Say them are browning, but them are bamboo. Cake soup, no make you bleach, no make the body fool you. You must, so, when I start to talk about Shock and Zulu, Kojo, Nadi, Pambogo, everybody. Oh, they you are going to do that? Yeah. Oh, okay. So it's not the disrespect what he never said, it's just the whole notion from Margaritaville that's surrounding Ocean. Oh, so it's not you are going back to the... Yeah, I was trying to me before I go there because it was a disaster if I do, but I wasn't going to do it. Normally, I would say, we can't release the Cartel and bleach out in face. I found that from 1999, you know, long before Cartel even see the first bill or the first piece. So, yeah. But instead I'm going to stop doing what bleaching now. Because he make it gone commercial. You know what, as far as I know, I'll let you know that. As far as that Margaret did a thing, you know that you were someone dissing Cartel as you say. As usual, because Cartel is dissing us as black people. Yes. When you read Batman, see how some people are being, you must take it as a disrespect to your race. I'm a rebellious person. And I'm an advocate for my people. So I speak out against anything that you like. You were compared to touch it. So Cartel like that, you don't black history month, you have to do that. Although black history month must pass. Even national radio station, then in a black history month, me and my play. The government loves me beat out face, you know that's the disrespect to black race. Don't be Jackie Boy and Tiago on radio. Oh, black history month, I need some black history month, ease up that brother. I'll be a black, you're playing a black history month. Or you, I think still in the race, bleach out face when them can celebrate them black race. Not heritage maybe again, no culture, not roll up boy again. Them people are not in a nothing way, have no moral again. The thing gone. And how come people go at things say, you are going to fling battle, bounty, the Cartel and Cartel are going to go there, and we first love him up. I never said anything on the mic. I exit the venue when that happened. How come as Cartel got there in 5 milliseconds in a run off? The people saw what happened. So what do you make of that? Cartel getting bottles as well. Because Ochi is not stupid. It was being said in Ochi that this was going to happen. So Ochi people took it back in their own hands. I'm not condoning anybody slinging or going or clapping. I'm not lyrical slaughterer. No, man in this world, we call it grow up to be yet. So you are equally condemning those who nobody knows to come and teach you that you know clap it, clap. If you don't like what I'm saying, silent. Right. So the one who Martin G, the condemn everybody that because they endanger everybody. Everybody was endangered all of us. But I'm saying now, it was an action and a reaction. So the person that did the action caused the reaction. Not saying the reaction is right, but I understand why it took place. Because if you back me and me back you, you don't have it to back people, but you can't make it back you. Yes. So I'm saying, they planned something and it backfired. And then, the plan was the show gonna mash up. Then tomorrow people and say, kill a cartel name and the show mash up because the cartel of the man. Cartel never intend to perform. He wanted the show to crash. And it looked like kill a cartel name and the people and back him and show mash up. I mean, Michael Cakefield Jackson. No, it didn't work that way. After that, the promoter decided, kill a cartel name and everything back. Cartel was want to see. But they misunderstood. That is a stupid cartel from Swing back when kill a cartel into baby. But why would cartel want that? Cartel is he has nothing to say about this bleaching thing. Tell him to come tell me that bleaching still out now. But he decided to respond. Yeah, no, tell him to come tell me that the bleaching argument still out. When your face appeal out, you can't tell that now. The bleaching advertising on his thing. I will need you to tell me who tell us a black no beautiful again. I need him to tell me and tell you what now. I'm asking a promoter. You get cartel over the saying a cage or put him in anything because I don't know him to scare. I think I'm schooling. It's not that. Just the moment to hold on there. Merciless until Bounty Beanie and Ninja Man. What merciless today? How much article come up from 2,000 pounds of that? The same dead carrier with them saying killed 3. And my career is supposed to pay 2,000 now. And from 2,000, how much career I build? When I say the little thing, I can't always see one of them. So, are you calling of your opinion? Okay. And you remember from 2006 when God leave me alone, oh, you disrespect me every time you try, you know, when I try to, reach my size, why you start? This me, this Schlemberg, this Julia, this Marshall, this Nobody Mother, this Bluebird, this Nobody Dead Father. You keep on in the man backstage, you send me a old dinosaur. And cartel things, nobody not to call your name now. I guess because seeing it on your name, you're scared to hear it called. Look about, cartel name, that's right, but I think cartel is the most called name right now in the house. Shane done it. Because in another area that is not music. But he got that he's not saying you should care. I'm just saying. That's why you must happy when we're calling it now. So why are you so scared when we calling it? Like when the name called, don't you care? Okay, you don't care. Alright, I don't think you don't care. I think he's scary. Who is right there? Once we come back and say, we've been talking to Killer. Where is that question? Is Killer now a dinosaur? And what's up with the doctor being a man? Stay with us, we'll be right.
Infamous Rents at YouTube.com